Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Hi, I'm Mohanat Nari. Welcome to Statistics 507 YouTube channel. Today we will discuss the topic how to calculate a profit analysis in NCSS statistical software. Let's go to the video. Just type the menu, the name, dose, and C2, subject, and then one C3, response. The data column, they entered the chemical concentration. First one is control 0, and then one 0.5, 0.10, 0.15, 0.20, 0.25, 0 is control, and 0.05 to 0.5. This is a chemical concentration. The mean is dose, and the subject mean total animal. I take 50 animals, so mention the column in 50. And response, the chemical influence the mortality of response in animal. No mortality, control. And finally 20. The data is ready. Then go to analysis, click analyze menu and regression, then logistic regression and profit analysis. Click the R mean response. Click the response column, then click OK. And the n sample size variable, click the button. The n sample size is a subject. The subject mean is total animal, so click the OK button. Then dosage variable, click the button. The dosage mean concentration of chemical. Select the dosage column, then click OK. Then reports, you want the LC50 or ED50, change the concentration 1 to 99, 10 to 90, 1 to 99. I select the first one, 1 to 99. Then click plots. The three type of plots available: the dose with response plot, then profit plot, and logistic response plot. Select the three plots, then click run button. Few seconds loaded the graph menu. Open the new dialog. This is a simple. Then I want first select regression line only. If you want like the fill color, the down pages, change right up. Anyone you choose that one. And another options, the many options available. If your test which one selected menu suitable, then that one you selected. The line resolutions 200 and more lines, XY lines. The many menus available in the software. The profit to access, the top, left, bottom and right side one. the border plots, you want the like the box plot or density plot, histogram, which one you selected, density plot and dot plots and histogram. This is the y-axis and y-axis is the box plot, density plots and dot plots and histogram. Which one you choose? Select that one. Then many titles. The title already entered the plot of dose with present response. The legend not available this graph. X minimum value change the 0 to maximum value thousands. Which one should choose the X? X as a dosage response. The already entered the data 0 to 0.5 ml per liter. The liner or logic, liner or login. The change base 10, 12. I'm use liner. Then yx, the minimum or maximum value, the liner or log grad line, background, then click OK. This is a first graph. The next graph, open the profit plot. This is same, I selected the down color, regression line I only selected. You want any additional graph, just change the graph. I use density plot in y-axis. I am not changing another setting. Then click OK. And the third one graph open, log dosage with response plant, regression line, fill color. Then legend, title not change, density plant. Any menu you change it, click, then click OK. Then open the result for profit analysis report. The table is ready. The dosage 0.5 to 0.50 ml per liter, the chemical dosage and the actual percentage and profit percentage. N mean the sample size, the R mean the total count of animals, and then one E mean the expected count based on the profit model. The difference in chi-square test, the dosage level, the which one, the chi-square value, the total chi-square value 5.29 and difference of freedom and profit level 0.73. It is a total table value, profit value. Then final value you check to profit analysis in lethal concentration or lethal dosage, anyone 1 to 99. So this is a profit analysis. You like the LC50 or LD50 or ED50, which one? This value, or LD90 or LC90, this one. Then go to next. Then graph is the profit dosage with present response, and then one profit analysis report. The second graph in profit logging, log with present response, and third one graph the plot of log with optimal profit. Your result it output it ready. If like the save the graph, just double click, save as list of image 1 format JPG, save, then close. And second graph JPG, and third one graph save. Thank you for watching. Please support my channel. Any doubt, comments please. I will help you. Thank you for watching this video.